Hi everyone, welcome. This is Broncano, my submission for the BNB hack, hosted by Dora Hacks with BNB Chain, CoinMarketCap, and Trust Wallet. It is a self-custody trading agent on BSC, track number 1. Let's go to the repository. Quick note on the repo, it is a private right now and goes public for the live participation week and stays public from there. So everything here is fully reproducible. Now the idea. Most AI trading agents put a language model in charge of every trade. For a week of real money running unattended, that is a liability. You cannot reproduce it, you cannot fully audit it, and it can hallucinate on assets that doesn't exist. So I build the inverse. The AI only thinks that deterministic code decides, and Trust Wallet signs locally, and the keys never leaves the machine or the server. It even runs its own money on X402. It earns by charging for its data and pays for premium signals only when it needs them from CMC. A self-custody agent on BSC, I can live alone for several days and audit from my phone. So let's prove it. Over on the server, I run one full cycle live and then reads its decision log. It reconciles the portfolio by reading on-chain truth through multicode. It trusts no indexer. It classifies the market regime from CMCs, fear and greed, and size positions to it, then scores every token on the watch list. And this is the discipline. Look at the log. It found on entry, but the edge is 0.99% against these tokens' 2.43% cost floor. The trade wouldn't pay its own fees, so it is locked. Not every signal becomes a trade. On TRX, it likes the setup, a trend bite, and every reason is written down. Trend up, MACD bullish, price above the 50 EMA, RCA 67 with a conviction broken out by driving. And gray zone is false, so it is confident enough that it won't pay CoinMarketCap for a premium tie break. That only happens when it's genuinely undecided. Discipline in the code. This is real money on mainnet. The canary buys 10 USD of cake and sells it right back. Down the exact execution path it uses during the live week. Quote, price impact checked, token approval, swaps, all signed locally by the Trust Wallet agent kit. No custodians, no cosigners, no exchange APIs. And the best part, I don't have to be watching the terminal. Let's see it on my phone. Everything the agent does lands on my phone via Telegram, every transaction with its link to the Explorer, and every hour the balance, the return, and the drawdown, measured the same way the judge measured them. I can leave it alone for a week and audit it from my pocket. It doesn't just spend gas, it runs its own money. Let's prove it back on my server. First, the agent data catalog, what it sells. Free get, no payment. Catalog is free, so use a plain get. Second, the agent has an X402 server. Someone buys a price product. Most trading agents pay for data. Mine also sells its own X402. It's pay per call, settled on-chain, and the agent runs the server. A free get on /catalog lists what is for sale, its risk posture, and its decision report, both exact straight from the agent's own code, plus the competition leaderboard. Now, watch me buy the leaderboard. Trust Wallet agents kit gets the 402 challenge signed on EAP 3009 authorization for 1 cent of USD1. Every chart hits an append-only ledger, and pings my phone. This is not a mock-up. It is live right now at a public endpoint. Anyone can pay, and the key never leaves the machine. On the buy side, the agent pays CoinMarketCap for premium technical analysis, but only in gray zone decisions, when it is genuinely undecided, not on every tick, so it spends on AI exactly when the edge is worth it. And the whole path is fail-safe if the proxy is down or the server, or the call fails, the agent treats it as no confirmation and stays out. It never trades blindly. Everything you saw is real, on-chain and inside the repository. Paste any of the transactions from the repository into BSC scan and check it yourself. Thanks to DoorHacks, BNB Chain, CoinMarketCap, and Trust Wallet for the build. I'm Jose, and from here the agent takes it on its own. See you on the leaderboard.